Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing a tiny corner to confirm the paint layer and ground reaction. This avoids surprises. Next, gently brush dust and loose flakes with a soft brush, then dampen a clean rag with 1/2 cup water or mild soap solution and blot. Do not rub harshly. Once done, let the moisture sit for a few seconds to soften acrylic film so you can lift edges without tearing the canvas fibers, and make sure to wear gloves and protect your workspace. Now you carefully lift softened paint with a plastic scraper held at a shallow angle to avoid digging into the ground. If flakes remain, apply a small cotton swab with isopropyl 70% or a targeted commercial acrylic remover. Apply sparingly and work outward from the stain to prevent spread. Once pigment loosens, blot constantly with a microfiber pad to carry paint away rather than push it. Make sure to rotate to clean areas of the pad to avoid redepositing. You finish by rinsing the cleaned area with a damp cloth to remove solvent traces, then let the canvas air dry flat to prevent warping. If a faint residue persists, repeat targeted swabbing no more than 1 or 2 additional times because overworking weakens fibers. If you notice ground lifting or color loss, stop immediately. Make sure to consult a conservator or consider a small primer patch and touch-up rather than continued abrasion. Remember, patience prevents permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.